Hello again, guys. This is Mrs. O. I hope all of you are well and healthy. Welcome to my channel. And guys, today I have another unboxing or unpacking. I just wanna, I decided to just share to you guys, and I hope we will learn something, okay? So yes, I have few things here, few packages that it's been already here, and I was just waiting for the right time. Okay, so first I want to show this to you guys, a scarf. I'm crazy of scarf, guys, especially in summertime. So yes, guys, I was like waiting for the sunshine. It seems like we don't have a sunshine today. I wanted to do this outside of the house. It's more fresh, you know what I'm saying? But nope, no sunshine today. So here is the scarf, guys. Oop, isn't that so beautiful? I am crazy of scarf, guys. This is really long. You can use this multi ways, to cover swimsuits or just to make a halter in it. So yes, guys, it's a silk, so it's really nice. So as the Gigi in here. All right, so yes, that's all about this. Yeah, I ordered two, guys, actually, and the seller says that they are out of stock, so I have to choose another one. So they they sent it separately, so I hope I will get it one of this day. So yeah, so that's all we can do. We'll just trust them, right, guys? Okay, that's all for now. That is the scarf. The next I have here, so let's see. I don't know if this is a bag or other kind that I've been eyeing, guys. So let's see. So yes, guys. Oh, they pack it double packed. Okay. I like it when it's easy to open. My lighting here, guys, is not so good. So here it is. Oh, maybe the bag. Okay, let's see. Interesting. I am one of those that really likes tote, guys. So I saw this one, and let's see how it is. So has oops, that is just their dust bag, nothing special, but it's okay. All right. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm covering, guys. Oh, okay, guys, so you know what I'm talking about. This is really made of nylon, and okay, so you know what I'm talking about, guys. It's upside down, guys. Okay, so yes, guys, that's how she is. Very it very light, but it's so, what you call it guys, it's not sturdy, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, my lighting, guys, I'm sorry. So it's made of nylon, no smell. I am surprised. Okay, but it's not sturdy, you know what I'm talking about. So it's so, what you call it, guys, give me the word. So look at that. So the opposite of sturdy, guys. So yes guys, if you are a mama, you know, you have a younger kids carrying diapers or baby stuff, I think this is really nice. Oops. Okay, so this is really nice guys. Oh my god. I'm sorry of the lighting guys. So yes guys, and I want to show you inside. It's all black and has a pocket, zip pocket in here. Let's see. So yes guys, this is a zip pocket in here, which is really nice. It's quite big. Look at that. It's like kind of never full, huh guys? Look at that. So yes guys, this is Prada tote bag. I think this is really good in rainy days, summer of course, but yeah, it's just open like that, no smell. So yes guys, what do you think? So that is the bag guys. I hope I have a tape measure, but yes guys, there you go. So this is the Prada tote bag. It's made of nylon guys, and again it's not sturdy but it's so light, so perfect for diaper bag, anything for work of course. And if you are like me that I like to carry everything, so yeah, it's the handle as you can see, there you go. So yes guys, so that's all about this. Oh wow, I was waiting for the bucket hat guys. I've been eyeing those. I just want to see, you know, the quality, but so far so good guys. So yeah, it's very light. It's very light. It's made of nylon. So yes. All right guys, that's all for today. All right, okay, and next, let's see. This is a multiple unpacking day. I just wanna show to you guys, you know, and we will learn, right guys? So this is from Shen guys. My other package is finally here, and I've been crazy of clumps guys. Oh, anything something here, right? That is really cute guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There you go. Oops. Clumps. It's very nice. There you go. Oops. Guys, my lighting here, I apologized. So that's all about it. Clumps. All right. This is from Shan guys. My daughter has been asking me in this kind, and I hope we get the right one. She has a big foot. So this is what I'm talking about guys. So I want to check, you know, that we are not paying like arm and leg again. So I hope. This is really cute. You know guys, this is what she gonna wear with a gown. Why not, right? She is a kind of my girl that very wants to be very comfortable, so why not? So I really hope this will fit. Finally, this time I got the size 40. It says in the shoe size 40. My previous orders, I ordered size 40 and it came like size 6 or size 7. So I hope this will really fit. Looks like small, but we'll see. So yes guys, so far so good. No smell. That's what I like. Here's the other one. Oh my god, I hope. You know guys, I have that. Okay, size 40. So there you go guys. So remember, I bought a gown for her. So she wanted to wear something like this. Why not my 17 years old daughter? So there you go guys. That's all about it. I hope you can see better. So far so good. Okay, what else? Oh, some like those decoration. I will not open this one, but some birthday decoration guys. Shein has really nice choices, you know, or selection. So yes, this would be our decorations for her birthday, for her 18th birthday. I found a topper. I've been looking for a cake that has an 18th happy birthday, you know, 18th birthday, something like that. I couldn't find it in Shein. So I found it in Amazon. So I have to order that. I still have the time. So yes, another kind of birthday decoration guys. So some balloons. I am ready for her birthday ahead of time, you know. That's what we're gonna do guys, mommy, right? So this one guys. Oh my god. So I hope, oh my god, I mean, I thought this is the kind that will give me a booty. Oh my lord, it's like it's so, this is size small, but anyway, let's see guys. Oops. All right, there you go. I thought there is a kind of padding guys. Maybe just the model has a good booty. All right, that's all about it, and let's see. Oh gosh, what else? Oh, more clumps, those tiny clumps guys. I think that's it. Okay, let's see this. I don't know, I am crazy of little things guys, you know. I am the one keep on buying of something hair stuff guys for my daughter. My daughter doesn't really care. This is so cute guys, like a pearl. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is all about it guys. I hope I can show to you. There you go. This is a clumps. Okay, yeah, has a 1 2 3 in here. So yeah, so let's see what we can do with this for her hair. So yes guys, that's all for today, and thanks for your time, and I hope you learned something. If you are looking for birthday decorations guys, Shein has a lot, and it's really affordable, and it's really I highly recommend, you know. So yes, everything's ready for my daughter. She will turn 18 in November, but we will do her pre-debut. In Philippines guys, 18 is our debut. So yeah, I just want her to experience, you know. But we will not do the grand, you know, the grand celebration. No, we will not doing that. I just want her to experience like a pre-debut photo shoot. That's it, and we will just, just us will do the celebration in November. Because here in November is winter and very cold, so it's hard for outdoor photo shoots. So all right, guys, that's all for today. Again, this is Mrs. O, and thanks for your time, and I hope you learned something today. All right, you guys take care, everyone. Bye.